Riprap is a material that's utilized when you're having erosion problems on a shoreline. It could be a riverway or a lake. Riprap is a product used when there's a higher level of energy being applied to your shoreline and causing problems. That can be caused by currents, it can be caused by wave action, and it also can be caused by ice. Typically, you'll select a riprap when vegetated solutions aren't really viable. The way that you install riprap is to prepare the shoreline on basically a 3-to-1 slope. You'll install a geotextile fabric that's designed to be placed under riprap. You'll then install a tow boulder that is buried in the ground and embedded in the bottom of the lake. You'll set that at the angle that you're going to try to install the riprap at, which is typically a 3-to-1 slope. And you'll stack those up until you get to about 1 or 2 feet above the ordinary high water. One of the advantages of setting that slope is that you can take wave energy and dissipate it along the slope before it hits the soil, which will help prevent erosion. Also, you can deflect the ice. When ice is being blown in, when the ice sheet's coming in, it has a great deal of energy, and that energy is being transferred to your shoreline, and it can cause a lot of damage. So the idea being to deflect the ice up in the air, not to stop it, because it's very difficult to stop the ice if you're just running into a wall. Riprap is also sort of a method of hard armoring your shoreline. While there are other methods, most of our governing agencies do not really approve of most of the other solutions unless it's a very unique situation. It's important to note how important it is to understand the rules and regulations regarding shorelines and what you can do with them. If you improperly install a shoreline or don't follow through and get all the correct information for the shoreline, what you can and cannot do, it can create problems down the line with the shoreline failing and or the governing agency requiring you to remove what you installed and then reinstall it. So it's really important to have someone who knows the rules and regulations and knows how to properly install your riprap in order to protect yourself against some future problems.